Good morning. Here are the top political and sports news updates from India for 18th March 2025. Political news. Strengthening US-India ties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a recent podcast interview with Alex Friedman, praised US President Donald Trump's preparedness for his second term, highlighting a clear roadmap for future collaborations. This discussion precedes upcoming reciprocal tariffs by Washington, potentially impacting Indian exporters. Both leaders have agreed to address tariff disputes and aim for a $500 billion bilateral trade target by 2030. Modi emphasized the strong bond between the two nations, aligning Trump's America First with his own India First approach. Electoral redistricting concerns. Southern leaders, particularly Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, are expressing worries that proposed changes to electoral boundaries could diminish their political power. This has sparked discussions about the potential impact on regional representation in upcoming elections. Voter ID and Aadhaar linking. The Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar is set to meet with key government officials to discuss the integration of voter ID with Aadhaar. This initiative aims to streamline the electoral process and enhance the integrity of voter registration. Government notices. The Ministry of Home Affairs is preparing to issue notices regarding various political developments and financial trends, ensuring that citizens stay informed about significant events across the country. Sports news. National Women's Hockey League. The final phase of the inaugural National Women's Hockey League 2024-25 is kicking off today at the Marang Gonke Jaipal Singh Stadium. This event is expected to showcase some of the best talent in women's hockey, with teams vying for the championship title. Cricket penalties. In cricket news, Pakistan all-rounder Khushdil Shah has been fined 50% of his match fee for an incident during a recent match where he barged into an opponent. This decision highlights the ongoing efforts to maintain sportsmanship and discipline in the game. IPL preparations. As the Indian Premier League, IPL, approaches, teams are finalizing their strategies and lineups. The excitement is building among fans as they anticipate the start of the season, with captains and coaches working hard to prepare their squads for the challenges ahead. That's all for today. Please subscribe, like and share this channel for future updates and have a wonderful day ahead.